Panchakarma for Detoxification. Panchakarma is a set of cleansing treatments practiced for expelling vitiated dosha out from the human body. They are Vasti, Varekanam, Vamanam, Nasyam and Riktamoksham. After thorough examination of patient and disease condition, appropriate treatment among these will be decided and applied. Vasti is the ultimate procedure among panchakarmas that can reset the functions in the body. The procedure is almost like carrying out enema by using the traditional device called Vasti Yantra. There is a special diet to be followed on the days of Vasti. In Varekanam, purgation is induced by oral intake of medicine, which expels vitiated doshas along with stool. It is effective in skin disorders, diseases caused by impure blood in the body and other Kapha-Pitta disorders. Vamanam is the medical emesis by taking oral medicines. It is effective in conditions like cough, breathing difficulties and other Kapha disorders. Nasyam is where specific dose of medicine is instilled through nostrils. This is found to be very effective in headache, upper respiratory tract infections, supports nervous system and good for other Kapha disorders. Impure blood in the body can be eliminated by Riktamosam, which can be done in case of any skin disorders or any inflammatory conditions. By doing the appropriate karma out of 5, body cleansing along with restoration of equilibrium of 3 doshas, Vata-Pitta-Kapha, can be attained.